PTZ Crystal Serum is being promoted as a high-tech ceramic or graphene coating that gives your car instant shine, protection, and water repellency. But the real question is whether it actually works, or if it's just another overhyped car care product. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Ceramic coatings are real, and proper ones can protect paint, repel water, and improve gloss when applied correctly. However, here's the key point. PTZ Crystal Serum shows multiple red flags that suggest it's more marketing than real performance. There are some basic positives. Like most coating sprays, it can add temporary shine, provide light water beading, make cleaning slightly easier. But these are standard effects you can get from many cheap sprays. That said, the concerns are significant. First, lack of transparency. There's no clear ingredient list, durability data, or detailed instructions, which is unusual for legitimate coating product. Second, unrealistic advertising. The product claims instant, showroom-level results from a single application, which is not how real ceramic coatings work. They require prep and careful application. Third, likely generic formula. Similar products appear under different names online, suggesting it may be a rebranded low-cost coating rather than a unique formula. Fourth, misleading graphene claims. Many budget coatings use the term as a marketing buzzword without meaningful performance benefit. And finally, almost no real reviews. There's very little independent user feedback, which makes it hard to trust the results. For comparison, proven products like Sonax C Carbon Ceramic Spray, Coating Techniques CSL Yexo 5 Kit have verified performance, real user reviews, and clear specifications. Things PTZ lacks. So, is PTZ Crystal Serum real or fake? It's likely a real product, but heavily overhyped and low trust. The bottom line is this. PTZ Crystal Serum may give basic short-term shine, but it does not match the performance of real ceramic coatings. If you expect long-lasting protection or professional results, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.